How to set up Vkontakte custom application in Social Login plugin. Please note, this feature is available in the standard and premium version of plugin. Now we will continue with the setup. Go to your WordPress admin area and click on mini orange Social Login plugin. Go to Social Login tab. Select Vkontakte from given list of applications. Then click on Save to save your settings. Your settings are saved successfully. Go to Custom App tab. Then click on Add Application. Select Vkontakte from given list of application. We will be going through these steps in this video. Click on link to go to Vkontakte Developer Console. Go to My Apps for custom application setup. Click on Create Application button. Enter a name for your application. Select Website as platform. Copy site address URI from instruction number 4. And paste here. Also copy base domain from instruction number 4. And paste here. Click on Connect Site to create the app. Once the application is created, select Settings in the left pane. Copy authorized redirect URI from instruction number 7. And paste here. Click on Save to save your settings. Copy the application ID, this is your client ID. And paste here. Copy secure key, this is your client secret. And paste here. Using scope friends, email, and profile you will be able to access users' friends list, email address and basic profile information. Click on Save Settings. Your settings are saved successfully. Please click on Test Configuration to check if custom application is working fine. While login into your application via Vkontakte login, you can access a subset data stored on it. Click on Allow. Custom application is tested successfully. Thanks for watching.